Hi my loves! Hi my loves, I hope you're all having a beautiful day. I'm here with my sister!
Hello!
Bella
And Chippy.
So today we're going to be talking about a matter that really does mean a lot to me and my channel. Before I get ahead and start this video, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my new channel. And also,
stay tuned at the end of this video to learn about the giveaways.
Yay! It's a huge giveaway for this one. So we're going to go through a few points each and we're going to abbreviate on what we think is important, and hopefully this will help at least one of you feel inspired and motivated to be successful and just change your ways, whether it's one way or a few different ways throughout, you know, the day, the week or the year. So let's get started. So number one is to be focused and committed. So no matter what you have a goal in, no matter what your objective is in life, definitely stay committed and focused. Do not let your
environment or what's happening around you dictate what's going to happen with your future. You can always block those things out and just focus on yourself and who you are and who you want to be. So the main thing with that is to always...
It took over my point.
The main thing with that is always to focus on what you want to be and what you want to do and how you want to be in the future. And always keep that in mind to keep you going through rough times, exams or anything you have going on. Keep in mind what you wanted to
what your goal
achieve
is.
And how you're going to do it. So you're going to be doing that by just going back on the wagon and keep on going.
I truly think a lot of people put their friends on a higher pedestal than they should be. I mean, I think it's very important to have successful people and influencers around you, but do not let this surrounding alter your goal and mindset, because that's not what's important at the end of the day. Buy something like a whiteboard or something that motivates you.
Yes, we both have
whiteboards, massive whiteboards, and mine's in my office, Sarah's is in her dorm room. It's something that keeps us focused, right? If you have something focused on the wall and look at it every single day, that's what it is going to keep you on track. And don't let all this alter your future. Your future is so important and you should be definitely on track and have your goals in mind and go for them 100%. Next point.
So being a college student, I think one important factor is to always remember to seek knowledge and not just learn for the sake of learning for your exams. It's amazing and very useful to go beyond just what you're supposed to know and go that step further, and that will really differentiate you. Example, if you have to study for an exam, immerse yourself in the topic, not just what you have to learn for the exam. And this goes for everything in life, I think. Don't just do the bare minimum.
100%. Yeah. And plus you'll feel better about yourself rather than just doing it for the reason of an exam or for an assignment. And it's a great experience as well. I think make your situation fun, whether you're doing an exam or whatever.
And it's not even that. You want to be that person that if someone asks you something, you know everything about the topic.
I think 2018 should be about getting yourself out there. I was definitely more shy growing up and I was so anxious to do things by myself, alone. What would people say? What would they do? What if they look at me this way? But you know what it is? Like, who are these people? Are you going to remember these same people in 5 years time or in 10 years time? Most likely no. You're not going to even have that contact. So just do whatever's best for you and try new things and go beyond what you're meant to be doing, because at the end of the day it's going to benefit you. Number 3, make the journey fun. So whatever you are doing, whatever your end goal is, don't just sit there and, you know, have this mindset of getting it done, crossing it off the list. Yeah, that's really good to do as well, obviously be on track, but at the same time make it fun. You know, have a break. If you're going to college like Sarah, have like a one night of the week that, you know, you're hanging out with your friends, you're having a breather.
As a reward.
Reward yourself, definitely.
Don't burn yourself out.
Great.
So the next important point, I believe, is to always get out of your comfort zone. So an example of this is I started a club recently this quarter, and I didn't start it myself, I joined it, I mean. I introduced myself to like as many people as I could. I completely immersed myself to the point where my friends were like, the friends I made from that club, they're like, how did this even start? Like, you just started. I literally went to the meeting alone randomly, introduced myself to one of like the top people in the club. He introduced me to everyone else there. I went to their meeting after as well. Excuse me, can you pay attention?
Sorry.
They were making an announcement that there's multiple positions open, and I hadn't volunteered yet at the clinics or anything, but I'm like, you know what? What do we have to lose? So I went there and I said, I want to apply for that position. And they're like, have you volunteered? I'm like, no. Applied for multiple positions and I actually got a lot of them. Touch wood.
Good on you. I'm very proud of you.
The whole point of this is to get out of your comfort zone, because you never know what will happen. And I really love that feeling. I really, really do. Just make the first step without thinking, because you know it will be good for you anyway, and then you'll figure the rest out will come naturally.
We tend to forget how short life is. Do you? Because I do. Like, I always feel like I'm only 27, I'm only 21, I'm only 18. Like, I have so much left. But the truth of the matter is that we really don't we're on this earth for such a short period of time. We really don't have much time to waste. We definitely need to focus on what's important and what's not. I know I say this all the time, and I don't know if I've told you guys before, but this story about this old man dying of old age in the hospital who's 93, and people came to visit him, and in came 3 black souls, and he said, I don't know who these things are. What are these people coming to visit me? Like, that's scary. And one of the black souls said, we are one of your dreams that you never gave life to, and now that you're dying, we have to die with you. Isn't that the craziest thing? When I heard that, I started crying, and I was like, I cannot be the most selfish person in the entire world and not sign up for acting class, not chase my dreams, not do public speaking, not reach this goal I have in mind. How can I be that selfish? My dreams came to me for a reason. They came to me for me to give them life, because I'm capable and I have the power to give those specific dreams life. My dreams will never go to Sarah. Sarah's dreams will never come to me, for example, because they chose her for a reason. She has the power to release them. I don't have that power. And how selfish can we be not to give them life?
Keep reaching forward. Keep going
bigger.
forward.
People say, no, that's too big. That's too crazy. No, it's not. Who said that? I'm actually going to say the most terrified person. The most person that I'm most terrified about, besides maybe my mom, is Sarah, because she is so black and white, and she says it like it is. And sometimes I get to ask for her opinion on things, because she tells me, and she's like, okay. Like, I'll be like, Sarah, I really want this house. She's like, okay, you'll get it. Like, what's your other goal? Like, she definitely makes me think like crazy big when it comes to my dreams and my goals. She really does. Like, I'll be like, Sarah, like, do you think I can do this? She's like, Lilian, that's the dumbest question. Why wouldn't you be able to do that? You know, I'm like, oh, okay. I wish I had a confidence, and I say this all the time. I wish I was as confident as Sarah. You really need people like that in your life to keep you on your toes.
Up for higher.
Surround yourself with good quality people. It doesn't mean people that are like, oh, you're so beautiful. Oh, yes, yes, yes. No, you need to surround yourself with reality.
You don't want people in your life that always just say yes to you and don't allow you to improve, because there's always room for improvement. So my next point is to take traits that you like from other people and implement it in your life, and use it to add to your character and your personality and basically your way of life. So the thing I like about Lilian is she doesn't sell herself short. If she knows she wants it, she'll get it, knows she deserves it, and she'll make use of it. And
really,
what else? Yeah, I overthink a lot of things, and she'll just go do it.
Yeah, Sarah overthinks a lot of things. Like, that's one of the things that I think you should work on.
If you're doing something for yourself, do it fully, I guess. Constantly improve yourself and do the most you can.
Do not expect anyone to give you anything. Do not expect anyone to put you on a pedestal. You definitely have to work hard yourself, and yeah, at times people do get lucky and others help them, but don't have that as an expectation. Quit avoiding things. Don't be afraid to commit yourself to, like what Sarah said, joining a club, joining a class. Can I just let you guys know, I was petrified. Petrified is an understatement. I'm not even joking. To go to acting class. I always thought the day I start acting class, I'm literally gonna have an anxiety attack and probably die. When I first came here, I would not go to an event without Sarah or one of my family members or one of my friends. I would literally rather die than go to an event or a meeting by myself. And it was my job, it's my own business, and how could that even be possible? It literally took me 2 years to have the understanding and the mentality that, Lilian, it's your business. No one loves your business the way that you do, and of course my family has my back, but I need to take charge. I need to take the horse by its leash and do it myself. It was hard the first 2 times, but I started meeting people, I started talking to people, people started coming up to me, and I was like, oh wow, I can do this by myself. With acting class, you guys, I can't explain to you. I've performed in stadiums before. I've literally performed in different countries dancing, and that's fine. I don't get shy when I dance. But for me to open my mouth and act in front of others, I thought I'm gonna die.
Keep in mind, it was something she always wanted to do.
Always. It was my biggest passion. I walked in there and I thought, Lilian, you're a dancer. How different can acting be than dancing? What's the worst that can happen? People are going to ignore you. Who cares?
You're a performer in general.
Yeah, and I walked in and I made so many friends. I met one of my really good friends there. Every time I go to class, I never feel more belonged. And I go in and I get goosebumps every time, and I'm like, this is what I'm meant to be doing. This is where I'm meant to be, right here, right now. And if I never tried, I would never get that feeling. And I honestly, it's one thing I can be like, okay, Lilian, good on you. Good job. Yeah. Pat on the back. Good job that you did that. Thanks, man.
I don't want to be the person standing in front of your hopes and dreams.
Yeah. Oh God, that would be the worst feeling.
So while Lil goes and gets some things, I just wanted to say another thing to remember is to take time to find yourself. Who you are, who you want to be, who you aspire to be, what type of qualities you want in yourself, to see in yourself. When I first came here, there were times you would even say, you're changing. But I was thinking, 2 years have passed, 3 years, like, why would I not change? I don't know if you realise.
I
You'd
would,
always say
I would
I'm
look at
changing
change in a negative way.
But it's not. When I was in Australia, I was actually, I think I was shy. I was very shy to even sing in the car. And I think moving here, I really, even little things like that. I think me moving here enabled my voice to be more loud, and I was able to be myself and not be Lilian's sister or Ireland's sister. I'm not shy to sing in the car anymore.
And I think sometimes it's okay to get help from others and get inspired and ask for people to, you know, whether it's be your mentor or just give you, you know, just advice. It's important, because I would always be scared to be like, oh my gosh, I can't ask for advice. Like that would mean I'm dumb, or I don't know what I'm saying. That's not true. You can definitely always ask for advice. We got the successful part out of there. Hopefully helped one or two of you at least. Another whole aspect that we want to talk about in this video is how to become beautiful. Now, I think beauty is something that people associate with hair, makeup, clothes, fashion trends only.
What we want to speak about is inward beauty, who you are, what you stand for, what you believe in. And
that's what's so important. I'm going to get started on this. I know you probably hear this all the time, probably from your parents or from your friends or from the movies or whatever it is, but confidence is beautiful. Truly, if someone walks with confidence, they automatically become more eye-catching, and you want to move towards that person, whether they're a female or male, whatever it is. You definitely want to hear what that person has to offer more. So being confident, honestly, like if I could go back and change one thing of me growing up, would be to be like, Lilian, you're not going to see these people in like 5 years, who cares? Be confident, be yourself, don't worry what other people are going to say. And that's
if you're
so
not,
important.
fake it till you make it.
Yeah, there's a big difference between being confident and cocky. Don't underestimate anyone else's ability. Don't crush anyone else's dream or their opinion. Everyone has their own opinion.
You're not more than anyone. Everyone has different things to offer in their own way, and you have different things to learn from people.
Another one that I like to say is be nice to everyone. You know, with so much bullying going on, that truly is so heartbreaking. Living in America, there's a lot going on here with bullying, and that really does break our hearts. If you're at school and you see someone getting bullied, talk to the person, try and just uplift them in any way, shape or form. Nothing will be taken away from you. It's so sad that these people are going through so much and they're suffering.
Don't let pride get in the way.
No.
You never know what people are going through. You never know their battles. You never know their struggles. They might have woken up 4 hours ago. They might have gone to work. They might have taken care of their family. You really don't know what people are battling, what they're going through. Things that are probably unimaginable to you. So be kind
and be considerate of others.
Yeah.
That's what's beautiful. Other people do remember these things. Say hi to them, smile to them. That's what's going to make you beautiful. What really should give you confidence and power and beauty is your personality, your niceness, your givingness.
It's okay to reach out for help, and please do so. Health is the most important thing that you have right now and in this world. Not even right now, in this world. And it's something you can always improve, you can work on. And if there is something going on, please go reach out for help. There's nothing to be ashamed of. There's nothing to be worried about. Please don't think of it as weak, because it's not. You're improving yourself. You're working on yourself. It's just a time in your life that you need help. So please take advantage of any resources you have. If you guys are ever going through anything, please feel free to even reach out to us. Anyone. Just speak about what you are going through. Speak about it. Even that can help you. Hope you guys enjoyed this video and you took some pointers out of it at least.
Hopefully it inspired at least one or two of you. That will mean our job is done. Now for the giveaway, as always, if you follow me on my new channel, you'll know that I do a giveaway on every single one of my videos, because I want to give back to my beautiful subscribers. For this video, we are giving away the Morphe and Bretman collaboration. It's absolutely stunning, and I wanted to give it to one of you beauties. Look at this.
Oh, I haven't seen it.
One of you lucky beautiful people are going to receive this. Absolutely stunning. To win this is subscribe to my channel, subscribe to this channel, thumbs up this video, and comment below what has inspired you in your life. It could be a long comment, it can be a short one, and you will go in the draw to win this, as well as just following me on Instagram, Lilian Tahmasian. Now once again, everything is going to be linked below. Please, if this video helped you in any way, shape or form, share the video.
Yes, with your friends and family.
Hopefully it can help someone else. I love you guys so much. I really hope that, you know, this definitely does help you. Thank you to my beautiful Sarah.
It's a pleasure for having me.
I love you so much. It
doesn't even make sense.
I'll see you guys next time, and yeah, hopefully you'll all have a beautiful day.
Have a wonderful weekend.
Yay!